A circle is inscribed in a regular polygon. The polygon is A. Inscribed in the circle, B. Circumscribed about the circle, C. Both inscribed and circumscribed, D. Neither. Answer B. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degrees. How many sides does it have? A. 10, B. 12, C. 15, D. 18. Answer B. Which polygon has the greatest number of lines of symmetry? A. Regular pentagon, B. Regular hexagon, C. Regular octagon, D. Regular decagon. Answer D. In a regular polygon, the central angle and exterior angle are A. Supplementary, B. Complementary, C. Equal, D. Unrelated. Answer C. A polygon whose vertices lie on a circle is called A. Circumscribed polygon, B. Inscribed polygon, C. Regular polygon, D. Convex polygon. Answer B. A figure that has no line of symmetry is called A. Regular, B. Convex, C. Asymmetrical, D. Concave. Answer C. The perimeter of a regular polygon is 48 cm and its apothem is 4√3 cm. If the polygon has n equals 6 sides, what is its circumradius? A. 6 cm, B. 8 cm, C. 8 square root 3 cm, D. 4 square root of 3 cm. Answer B. For a regular hexagon with circumradius r equals 10, what is the side length S? A. 10, B. 10 root 3, C. 5, D. 5 root 3. Answer A. A regular polygon has an apothem A equals 6√2 cm and each side length S equals 12 cm. How many sides does it have if the circumradius r equals 12 cm? A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, D. 12. Answer B. If the number of sides of a regular polygon inscribed in a circle of radius r is doubled, what happens to the apothem A? A. Increases but approaches to r, B. Decreases but approaches to r, C. Stays the same, D. Increases without bound. Answer A. A polygon has one interior angle measuring 200 degrees. Which of the following is true? A. it is convex because the sum of interior angles can exceed 180 degree for large n. B, it is concave because at least one interior angle greater than 180 degree. C, it is convex because it can still be regular. D, it is concave but the sum of exterior angles will not be 360 degree. Answer B. The area of irregular n-gon with circumradius r, if n equals 4, what is the area? A, 2r square, B, r square, C, 4r square, D, r square over 2. Answer A. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 156 degree. What is the measure of each central angle? A, 24 degree, B, 12 degree, C, 30 degree, D, 15 degree. Answer A. For a regular polygon, which angles are equal? A, interior angle and central angle, B, exterior angle and central angle, C, apothem angle and exterior angle, D, interior angle and exterior angle. መልሱን ኮመንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። እንድሰራላችሁ የምትፈልጉት ፖርሽን ያልገባችሁ ጥያቄ ካለ ኮመንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ፣ እሰራላችኋለሁ። ምለቀው ቪዲዮ እንዲደርሳችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። መልካም ጊዜ